Right, welcome back to Unusual GCSE questions. This one we're going to look at is a ratio question. It is June 2024, paper 3, question 10 from Edexcel Higher. I'm going to put it on the screen, have a look at it, and then I'm going to go through it. Right, okay, so I'm going to do this one on the board myself because then we haven't got to worry about where Grace is going to stand or anything like that. So, what does it say? Can you tell me what it says?
So in bag A, we only have red and yellow counters, and the ratio of red to yellow counters is 3 to 5.
Right, so I'm going to write red to yellow is
3 to 5.
3 to 5, and this is bag A.
Bag A, yeah.
So we've got 2 bags, yeah.
So then in bag B, you have green and blue counters.
Yeah.
The number of counters in bag B is half the number of counters in bag A.
Number of counters in bag B is half the number of counters in bag A.
Yeah.
Right. Right, so let's call B the number of counters in bag B, and we'll call A the number of counters. So B's got half of A.
Yes.
Right. So B equals a half of A. Yep.
So given that there are X red counters in bag A, use algebra to show the total number of counters in bags A and B is 4X.
Right. So we've been told that. Right, it's a bit of a mess, isn't it? It's a bit of a mess. We've been told that the ratio of red to yellow in bag A is 3 to 5. We've been told that B is half of A. The number of counters in bag B is half the number in bag A. There's X red counters in bag A, and they want us to say, what's the question?
The bag A plus bag B is 4X.
So to show that.
Yeah, use algebra to show that. Yeah.
Show that 4x counters in total. Right, this is an interesting one because when you've got to show that question, you've got to be really careful that you don't use this fact in your working out. This is going to be where we end up. But it's nice because if they've given us the answer, the advantage obviously is we know if we've got it right or not. So, okay. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make an equation out of that ratio, I think. So, I'm going to cross multiply that ratio to say that that means that 5r equals 3y. Don't forget you can always do that. Okay. Now, if I let, so we know that there are X red counters, so 5x is 3y, isn't it? So that means that y equals 5 over 3x. So now we've got an expression in terms of x for r and y. So that means the total counters in A is x, which is the red counters, plus 5/3 of x, which is the yellow counters, well, x is 3/3, and that's 5/3. That makes 8/3. So that's the total number of counters in bag A. And if bag B's got half of that many counters, it's got half of 8/3 x. Half of 8/3 is 4/3. And so the total number of counters in both of the bags is going to be 8/3 x plus 4/3 x, which is 12/3 x, which is 4x, and we're done. So what's kind of interesting about that, I think, is that at no point in that process did I really know what I was doing. Do you see what I mean? Like, you've just got a few basic ideas, and a lot of maths is like this, and it's kind of one of the interesting things about it. You see at the beginning, I wrote down, I thought I might have to write down a ratio, so that was totally unimportant. So what did we do? We used the fact that I can turn a ratio into an equation, then I substituted in a fact that we've been given, and saw what happened there, then got an expression for the total, and then used another fact, and there's the answer. So, anything to say about this, Grace?
No, I think you just go with the flow and see what happens.
Yeah, don't feel as though. Two things with this question. Like, one, don't be put off by the fact that it looks complicated, because it does look complicated. And also, don't ever feel like you should look at a question and know what you're going to do before you start. You don't have to know what you're going to do before you start. You can just start and see what happens. And often what will happen is, before you've even figured out what you're doing, you'll have the answer and it'll be all over and you won't have to worry about it.
Cool, yeah.
Right, okay, so that'll do for that. Let us know if you've got any other unusual GCSE questions you want us to look at, and see you next time.